Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Auto Repair. Today, we're diving into an essential but often overlooked part of your vehicle, the ignition relay. This small component plays a big role by supplying consistent electrical power to various systems in your car. It's typically located under the dashboard or in the fuse box under the hood. Ignition is unresponsive. The main job of the ignition relay is to deliver power to your vehicle's sensors and control modules. If you turn the key and nothing happens, no dashboard lights, no crank yet the battery is fully charged, there's a good chance your ignition relay is the problem. This is a serious issue. Without it, your engine can't start. And if it fails completely, you're stuck until it's fixed. Fluctuating ignition power. If your dashboard lights flicker like they're in a rave, that's not normal. Corrosion or wear inside the ignition relay can cause intermittent contact, leading to rapid on-off cycling of power. This can affect not just the ignition, but other electronics as well. Burning smell. Electrical components that overheat can give off a distinct, burnt electronic smell. A failing ignition relay, especially one with rust, water damage, or corrosion, may overheat. You might even see melted plastic on the relay itself. If you smell burning plastic or electronics, check that relay immediately. Engine stalling while driving. The ignition relay also powers vital components like the fuel pump and ignition coils. If the relay fails mid-drive, your engine can suddenly stall, a dangerous situation. So, if your car randomly shuts off while driving, don't just assume it's fuel-related. This little relay might be the culprit. Dead battery. When you turn off the car, the ignition relay should cut off power to the engine systems. If it doesn't, your battery can drain overnight because the ignition system stays partially active. So, if your battery mysteriously dies overnight, even though it was working fine the day before, a stuck ignition relay could be the reason. How to test an ignition relay. Remove the ignition relay from the fuse box. Identify the pins. Look for numbers 30, 85, 86, and 87. Connect pins 30 and 85 to the car's 12 volts battery. Ground pin 86. You should hear a clicking sound, that's the relay engaging. And last, use a multimeter to test pin 87. If it doesn't show 12 volts and engage, the relay is faulty. The ignition relay may be small, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your car running safely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.